Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the Google Docs app and signing in. Once done, create or open the file you need. Make sure your iPad keyboard is active or pair a Bluetooth keyboard for faster typing. If prompted, allow Docs to access your files so you can open documents stored locally or in other apps. Tap the blue plus to start a blank document, or choose a file from My Drive to jump straight into editing. Keep your workspace visible and ready to type. Now focus on editing. Select text to reveal the contextual toolbar for styling and paragraph options, because precise formatting saves time later. Use the plus menu to insert images, tables, links, or comments. Once inserted, tap and drag handles to resize or reposition elements. For efficient navigation, learn gestures like two-finger tap to undo and redo. These are faster than menus. If you have a hardware key, finish by confirming your work saved. Look for the Save to Drive indicator at the top so you don't lose changes. When you're ready to collaborate, tap Share to set permissions, choose Edit, Comment, or View, then copy the link or add collaborators' emails. If something goes wrong, first check your Wi-Fi and drive storage, then sign out and sign back in, or force close and reopen the app. Those steps usually clear sync errors and get you back to editing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.